Now last time we have studied how to create a database, how to use a database, then how to create table, then insert the fields, then insert data in the table. We have studied all these things. Now suppose if we want to insert multiple datas, this was just one record, we have inserted only one record. Now if we want to insert multiple record, so we'll use the same command, that is insert into, then table name, that is students values, then in round bracket, suppose over here, insert into students values. See, insert into students values, suppose this roll number 2 data I have inserted. Then next I want to insert roll number 3. Okay, the data for roll number 3, the record of roll number 3, and enter. See, query okay. Now records 2 records I have inserted, that is roll number 2 and roll number 3. Clear everyone how to insert multiple record in a table. Now the next topic is retrieve or query data from a table. What do you mean by retrieve? Retrieve means to get data. Now suppose I want to see. Here we have three things: from, where, and order by, and select. Four things. Now to perform any operation on the data, we'll use the command select. Now it retrieves data from a specific table. It is very useful. With select we'll use from, where, and order by. Any three of this we can use with select. Now I'll explain it with an example. Suppose I want to display this whole table. So I'll use the command select star. Star means everything from students. See, I'll use the same command select star from students. So what will it do? It will display the whole table named students. Clear everyone? Select star. We can give any condition also, that is suppose select column name is roll underscore name, roll number, and suppose name. I just want to display roll number and name of the students. I want to just display that much for now. That is select roll number comma name from students. And click on enter. See, only two columns are displayed. So this is how you can display using the select command and from command. Select roll number and name from students. So this is the use of from command. Now the next command is where. Where means what? We can give condition. So select roll number, we'll suppose select name from students where roll underscore number is equal to, suppose I want to display roll number 2, name of roll number 2. So I'll write select name from students. Students is our table name, where roll number equal to 2, and enter. See, roll number 2 name is displayed. This is selected. Clear everyone how to display particular record. Now we can do like this is how we'll display. So this is how we'll display particular records. If suppose we have one more column, that is over here we have activities, suppose in our table. So we can display that for dance and karate, suppose we have activities, suppose dance and karate. So we want to see who all are there in dance, the name of the students of dance. So what query we will write? Select name from students where activity equal to dance. So we'll get that name of students who are there in dance. Clear everyone? Now the next is order by. Order by, that is we can order this order the table accordingly, like ascending or descending wise. Now suppose this is in ascending, we want to display it in descending order. So how will we write it? Select star from students order by roll number, so select star from students order by roll number and then DESC for descending, and by default it is ascending, DESC and semicolon. See, roll number 3, 2 and 1, that is roll number are displayed in descending order. We can change the order of this of any of the field. This is how we'll order. And for ascending we will use A. By default it is ascending only. If you want to just display it in ascending order, select star from students. So it is displayed in ascending order. But if you want to display it in descending order, which command we will use? Select star from students order by ORDER order by roll underscore number DESC, that is descending, and click on enter. So it will be displayed in descending order. So this is how we can change the order of the table. Now suppose we want to update a record. Now I want to change this roll number 3. Galat dal diya, so I want to change it. So how will we do that? We will use the update command. That is, we want to update the name of roll number 3. We want to update it. So update students set name equal to, suppose, Raj, where roll number equal to 3. Okay, I want to change the name of roll number 3. So I will use update students set name equal to Raj. See where spelling I have made a mistake. So it will give an error. Where roll number equal to 3. And just press enter. See, query OK. Again I will show you the table. So select star from students to display the table. See, roll number 3 name has changed to Raj. So this is how you can update a record in a table. Now suppose roll number 2 has left the school, so I want to delete his record. Delete a record. Roll number 2's record I want to delete. So which command I'll use? Here we will use delete command. So DELETE, delete from where? Students, STUDENTS, delete from students where roll underscore number equal to 2. See, delete from student, delete from table name, that is students, where roll number equal to 2, and click on enter. See, roll number 2 record has deleted. I'll display and show you. See, Roll number 1 and 3 are displayed. Roll number 2 is deleted. Select star from students displays everything, table, the whole table. Select star from table name. Clear everyone? Thank you.